exam window. When are these exams given? On an average, each exam is given every quarter, every March, June, September, and December. Only the knowledge level is what we call on-demand exams, which means you can give them anytime in the 365 days of the year. You can come to our office. We have what we call a licensed computer-based exam center. You call us, you say, okay, I'm ready for the first paper. I want to come on Monday, 10 a.m. If you have a slot available, come, give the exam. It's all MCQs. Give the exam on the spot. You'll know if you cleared or not. If you cleared, move on to the next paper. That's the first level. And then, like I said, the second and third level are every March, June, September, December. So if you have any more questions, feel free. We are always here as an advocate, biggest advocate of ACCA in India. We have been able to push the boundaries of ACCA's recognition in India, the kind of jobs our students are getting, the kind of understanding that the industry gets about ACCA. We've tried to make sure that all of that helps all of us keep on moving ahead in our career, whether it's in India or overseas.